Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to ask approval for brand partners on Instagram. So first of all you have to go to the settings and here go to the business menu, go to branded content, and here is the option request approval from brand partners. And here you can search for the brand that you are looking to work for. For example, I go to Nike, and then all the different Nike profiles will show up, and then I can request a partnership with all these brands. Then they will receive this request, and after they accept my request, we can start working together and tag the branded content, the partnership on our Instagram posts. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please consider subscribing. That would be really helpful for me, and see you in the next one.